Hey everyone, Tom from TK Designs here. I'm excited today. Today I received my order from IDC Woodcraft. Let's open this bad boy up, this one right here, and see what we have. Box is a little bit difficult to open. Got my packing sheet. Got my handy dandy IDC Woodcraft coffee mug that was free with my order since it was over $100. Inside, got a bunch of other stuff. Customary M&Ms. Oh, IDC pen. Looks like an IDC woodcrafting sticker. And the proper method for loading up your bits. Got a nice little bag here, nice velvety feeling bag. And inside we have our HOG. And we have our BADGER. I also ordered a 1/4-inch round over bit for the CNC, but we're not going to be using that in the review today. All right. So for the HOG, that's a 1/8 inch routing bit or roughing bit, and the BADGER is a 1/8 inch tool. I heard about these through YouTube and decided I wanted to try them for myself. This video is my unfiltered view. I paid for the bits out of pocket. No incentive was provided for me to conduct this test. Today I'm going to put them to the test and see if they live up to the hype. Now the HOG, we'll take a look at first. It's a 1/4 inch cut diameter and is 2 3/4 inches long. It's made of 100% carbide and is rated for a feed rate of 80 inches per minute and a depth of cut at 3/4 of an inch. That's pretty damn impressive. The BADGER, on the other hand, is the HOG's little brother. It's a 1/8 inch diameter cut, 1 3/4 inches long, also carbide, and has a 130 inch per minute at 1/4 inch depth of cut. My usual bits I get about 0.06 inches at 30 inches per minute. All right, so let's load these up on the CNC and see if we can push them to their max rating. If you get the chance, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the videos. It really helps me along.
All right, so we are going to start our demonstration today with the HOG. Get a good close look at that ugly bit. We'll get that on there, and we're going to cut it 3/4 of an inch of depth at 80 inches per minute. And we'll finish off today with the Badger. This is just a little 1/8 of an inch bit, really tiny. But as you can see, it's got the same properties of the HOG. We're going to go 1/4 of an inch depth, 130 inches per minute with this bit. Okay, so as we can see, we got pretty good cut out of the HOG, both on our square and on our circle. If we look really close, see if I can get a good focus on that. There are some witness marks that would have to be cleaned up, or we can go back with a normal tool path and clean that up. For our Badger bit, again, clean cut, not too bad. You go out a little bit. It does need a little bit of cleanup, but that is 1/2 inch deep, or 1/4 inch deep. I did make 2 passes on all of these. I dialed back my settings quite a bit because, as we saw in the first clip, when I tried to go full bore, I immediately crashed. I think the learning point there is that I need to ramp those cuts in, and I'll do another test again to try that again with ramping this time and then the full speed. I also did speed up the spindle speed because there's a variance. 19,000 on my CNC is closer to 17,000, so I sped it up to full bore. 23,000 RPM on mine, and that's when we got these cuts. So they were pretty clean. So let me know what you think. Tell me in the comments if you noticed any errors in my methodology, and I'll be more than happy to correct them and make a new video. No problem at all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you really found my content helpful, you can use the thank you button and send a donation to help me pay for my coffee. Appreciate y'all. Bye now.